Today we're doing an installation video for a 2023 Taycan. And this fits all this previous generation of Taycans, including the Cross Turismo. The fronts are exactly the same. And here's the front end. Yeah, all the fronts are the same. The Cross Turismo.
All right, these are going to be the two screws you're going to remove using a T20 Torx socket. Okay, so now using the screws that we provide you, I believe it's a 4.8 by 25, and the spacer, the bolt will go through the base plate and then the spacer on top, and you'll start it into the hole. Then you do the same for the other side. Screw through the base plate, spacer on top. Start using a 8mm socket. You're going to tighten up the screws. These are going into metal J clips, so you'll be able to snug them up pretty good. There you go.
Go ahead.
All right, then we're going to install the front plate. You're going to slide it into the tubes, pull the pull pin, get past the tubes, slide it till it locks into place. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.